So, Mr. Sandhya, you've said that India followed the world on 4G, walked with the world on 5G, but will lead the world on 6G. What do you mean by that? And say with the tech stack, for example, how do we compare with other countries, especially with China, for example?
So, India has, let me back up a little bit. When I graduated from Harvard and I came back to India as an investment banker, many moons ago, the first transaction we looked at was in those days, early 90s, when licenses were given out for those 6 metros for mobile. And India in many ways has followed the world on mobile technology, whether it be GSM or then 2G or then 3G and even 4G. 5G was the first time when technology across the world was promulgated, and India actually had the fastest rollout of 5G in the world. We rolled out 5G across the length and breadth of India in 22 months. We're talking about 4.5 lakh crores of capex, close to 500,000 BTS-based transceiver stations, colloquially known as mobile towers. And today we have almost ubiquitous connectivity on 5G. Close to 99.9% of districts are connected. You'll be surprised to know that today, out of the 120 crore customers on mobile in India, 40 crore have already transferred onto 5G networks. So we have almost close to 35% of our market today on 5G. And my projection is that by 2030, that's going to grow to 100 crore customers. Which means exactly what I said, that we walked with the world on 5G. Now, we intend to lead the world on 6G. What does that mean? That means that when telecom technology is promulgated or standards are set, that is set by a world body called the ITU, the International Telecom Union, or 3GPP. And when those standards are set, then international countries that are world leaders sit at that round table, for example, in front of me, cogitate, and based on their ideation, come up with a set of standards that all other countries, for example, everyone else in this room, will follow. But on this table are the standard setters. India has never been on this table. And it's for the first time with regard to 6G that the Prime Minister set the vision in 2023, and he set the goal that Bharat 6G Alliance, which is a group of companies, entrepreneurs, engineers and scientists from IITs across the country, telecom service providers, ISPs, telecom equipment manufacturers, the whole value chain is a part of the B6G Alliance. And we have grown from initially 15 members to over 100 members today. We have alliances with similar 6G platforms across 30 countries across the world, from UK to US to Brazil, to Africa, to all across the world. And so therefore we are working on a global alliance. And India for the first time is sitting on that table where standards are getting set for 6G. And for the first time, our proposal of ubiquitous connectivity to every single citizen across the globe as a paper has been admitted and accepted as part of the 6G standard setting protocol on that table. We propose to have contributed 10% of patents towards 6G. So India today is no longer following. India today is no longer walking. We're on that table setting the standards along with other stakeholders for the world as 6G gets rolled out over the next 3 to 4 years, which is a huge transformation for India.